Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find inconsistent data in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. All you need to do is to launch the Microsoft Store and search for Excel and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. Once you're done downloading the app, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to find inconsistent data in Excel. The first thing you like to do is to click on the cell that has the inconsistent data. And as you can see, I'm moving to my B column, that's the country column, where I have all of this country spelled. And over here in B6, I have this Mexico R, that's with the R, while others have Mexico. This has the R, it means this is inconsistent. Now, this is a really huge sheet, and I don't want to go through the headache of having to search through all the countries to see that the data is consistent. That is where this tool comes in handy. So if I want to search and get rid of inconsistent data, this is how I can find it. So clicking on this and heading over to the top right corner of my screen where you have the sort and filter. So go ahead and click on sort and filter. You have this extended menu, sort A to Z down to reapply. So click on filter. And once you click on filter, I hope you noticed what we can see just right in the first, that's the first row, where you have all these headings. You have a drop down menu attached to the headings. So go ahead and click on the drop down menu. As you can see, I'm just looking forward to country. All right, so click on that drop down menu and you have the text filters, you have the select all. So now you have all the filters that you have that are available in the country. So you have the Canada, rightly spelled, and this is Canadan. This is wrongly spelled. So I'm going to have to deselect. I'm deselecting the inconsistent ones. So this is Canadan. I deselected that. And this is another very inconsistent data. So I deselected that, and this is Mexico. So I've deselected that. Okay, so what is left, all right, are the correct spellings or correct data that I need. I'm just going to click on OK. And that's it. So I've been able to deselect, fetch out the inconsistent data, and I've been able to deselect the inconsistent data. So that is pretty much the process. Okay, so the next thing that I'll have to do now is to click on this drop down again to enter the correct data. So how do I enter the correct data? So I'm going to have to click on that and repeat the process. Okay, so let's say that's Canada. So of course, Canada has been set here. This is Canada. I hope I've successfully deselected that Canada stuff. So all of the, okay, so I have to select all the consistent data, and these are all like the correct process. Okay, so okay, so that's pretty much it. So just follow through the process again and select the correct ones. That's the correct values, which are here. Or let's say you can even click on this text filters and click on custom filters for you to add. All right, that's if you want to use that option, but that's not really what we're looking for. So just go ahead and select the correct values, which include, that's the correct one, that's the Canada, the France, the Germany, the Mexico, the United States of America, and just click on OK. All right, so that's pretty much the process. That is how you can find inconsistent data in Excel. So you can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.